Welcome to Ecology Minute. Have you ever thought about how you treat the ants that enter your home in the spring and the summer looking for food? These are, at least according to my wife, sugar ants. They are attracted to sweet things like rotting fruit or a half-eaten apple left out by a toddler, in this case. And so often in the past, I had thoughtlessly responded to their presence by killing them, squashing them, flicking them away, drowning them. Sounds horrible, right? I'm trying to think of better ways to treat my neighbors, if you will. Maybe just taking an apple outside and putting them back in their natural environment, or just taking a moment to just observe my neighbors and watch them as they crawl over my finger or on my table. Let's be kind.